fuck? This is 2 lanes?
Oh, shit.
I live down that way, and I don't even come this way. The problem is I know 8 different ways to get from point A to point B.
Yeah.
But that's what happens when you do this for 15 fucking years.
You pretty much know where what is.
Yeah.
I feel like an idiot even saying an address when you knew where we were going. Huh? Shit.
You want to go to your girlfriend's house, give me an address. You want to go to your mom's house, give me an address. Yeah, I love motherfuckers who tell me the address of hotel casinos. It's like, what, you got to send them a Christmas card? I don't work for the UPS. I don't work for USPS.
Just say the spot. You know the spot.
Exactly. Why the fuck do I care what their address is?
So how long you lived here then?
20 years.
Man, where'd you come from?
Southern California.
Yeah. I'm sure it's changed plenty.
I hope so. Finicky bastards get really nervous when there isn't something new at fucking Vegas every 14 to 16 months.
Right. It's a different ball game over here.
Yeah. Ask Atlantic City or fucking Reno how that goes.
How does that go?
Not very well. The term stagnation jumps to the forefront of my mind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you ever been in a 7-Eleven at 2 o'clock in the morning and the coffee smells like fucking asphalt? Yeah, that shit didn't happen in my store.
Yeah. So the biggest advice you have for all gamblers in Las Vegas is what?
Biggest win a lot of money or losing your money.
And if you win money?
Me, I don't gamble, even I don't waiting to win money for the machine.
But if I hit, should I play one more game or walk away?
I hope you win it.
I hope so too.
I hope you win it. Stop whenever you win it. If you win it $1 million, wow, you book it now. Your ticket.
Yeah, get out of it. Don't play anymore. That's right.